curbing the powers of the governor during an emergency. And that's the goal of a bill now on Governor Davig Ige's desk.
Yeah, the role of the governor took center stage during the COVID-19 pandemic. And if this bill becomes law, the powers of future governors, though, could be different in similar situations.
Jeremy Lee joins us now with more on our top story, new at 9. Jeremy.
Marissa and Tom, after the initial executive order in March of 2020 expired, Governor Ige renewed emergency orders 14 times over the course of 2 years in response to COVID-19. Will governors in the future be able to do the same? That decision is now in the hands of the governor.
The governor's use of emergency power should be restricted. The law as it currently exists from 2014 restricts it to 60 days, and on the 60th day, it is automatically terminated.
Attorney Jim Hochberg has argued the continuous extensions of emergency powers going back to the stay-at-home orders strip the people of their rights. And though a judge ruled against the case contesting Governor Ige's extensions of executive orders, 14 in all in response to the COVID-19 pandemic, Hawaii legislators recently passed a bill that would ensure the legislature may, by an affirmative vote of 2/3 of the members to which each house is entitled, terminate a state of emergency, in part or in whole declared by the governor. That way, according to Senator Donovan De La Cruz, in the future there would be no question
who checks and ensures that there's some accountability as the governor goes ahead and continues to extend it. And some people felt that there needed to be some checks and balances.
But would those checks and balances be enough? Hochberg argues indefinite extensions should be checked by a constitutional amendment.
The problem isn't the governor taking the legislature's power away. The problem is the governor is taking the people's rights away. The place to fix that is in the state constitution. Article 1, Section 1 says all political power in the state of Hawaii resides in the people.
We must avoid physical contact.
Opponents to open-ended orders argue the authority was vested for natural disasters, not a recurring virus. In the meantime, the legislators hope that the bill will be signed by the governor so that
if it does seem like an extreme overreach, that the legislature does have the ability to take some counteraction.
June 27th to make a decision on whether or not he will sign the bill. I reached out to the governor's office on the matter and have not heard back yet. A 2/3 vote from the legislature could override a veto by the governor. Reporting live, Jeremy Lee, KITV4 Island News.